How to complete a Skye's workshop budget activity. First, you need to print out your resource. Students will be given an amount of money to spend on each downloaded activity. It is important to note they must spend exactly their budget, no less and no more. This is what makes the activity challenging and allows students to use critical thinking skills. Students will keep track of their purchases on their document sheet. Once they have completed their work correctly, they can draw their design. They can only use purchased items. Few exceptions can be made if the educator allows it. That's up to you. Hope you enjoy and have fun with this product. Hi everyone, Skye here of Skye's Workshop. Remember to check out playlists to get you to your favorite categories of videos. And remember to like and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching.